Hello everyone, let's try to solve this question together. So this X-ray is obtained from a newborn infant. The red circle indicates, look at the picture, and what do you guys think is the red circle donates to? A, B, C, or D? Okay, the correct answer here is this is the emphysematous change in the lung. So basically what is happening here, let me make it clear here. So let's draw it. So basically you see the cystic change in the lung here at the bottom, at the base, and this is the intestinal loop, either the stomach or the small intestine overlying that, but definitely that's the case. And you see there is no communication, so this is not diaphragmatic hernia. You see the diaphragm in between, so diaphragm is all intact, so there is no diaphragmatic hernia. Again, let me draw it to make sure that you guys get the idea here. Let's rub it off. Okay, now you see, so that's what I was talking about, that you still see the diaphragm. So this is not diaphragmatic hernia. Now what's the difference between the Morgagni and Bochdala diaphragmatic hernia? So if you guys remember that the posterior lateral, if the hernia happens this way, this is Bochdala, and if the hernia happen this way around the esophagus, which is anteromedial, is this Morgagni. So there are Morgagni orifices, and the hernia can happen here. So this is usually it happens, it's not really congenital. The congenital is most of the time is Bochdalic type because it's posterior lateral, because of the not development of the diaphragm rightly. Later on in childhood and in adult, you can do you can see the Morgagni hernia. So again, the other point about this presentation is to make a difference between congenital and acquired diaphragmatic hernia, the Morgagni and Bochdalic. So again, remember, Morgagni is most of the time acquired, it's around the esophagus, so it's in the center, and the Bochdalic is on the sides. It could be right or left. And pneumothorax, last choice is pneumothorax and pneumoperitoneum. Let me rub it off and see. Although we see some cystic changes here, as you guys can see, the cystic changes in the lung, but you don't see any free air on the sides of the chest wall. So this is not pneumothorax. So pneumothorax is out. What about pneumoperitoneum? On the same token, let me rub it off again. So that I don't see any free air accumulating under the diaphragm or any other signs of over the liver. You don't see any radiolucency that could be suspicious of pneumoperitoneum. So this is not pneumothorax or pneumoperitoneum. So I hope you guys have learned something together today. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.